everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to download the YouTube app for your PS5. Just like the PS4, you can get YouTube. So what you do is you go to TVs and movie. Scroll down, you scroll all the way there. Or go to all apps. You find the YouTube. And there it is. So it is downloading right now, and it does take a little bit. Now, there is a protocol called DCHP, and that allows you to stream. Roku's use it, and other streaming devices use it as well. If that is turned on, you cannot screen capture from your PS4 or PS5. In this case, it's PS5. So it's downloading right now, and it downloaded it. So there we go. And now it's showing the download screen, and it doesn't take very, very long to download. There we go. So it is downloaded, and it's telling me that the DCHP protocol is not enabled. And I noticed because I turned it off because I was doing something with the PS5. So you go to HDMI and you change the setting. The reason that you go to HDMI is that's the video output on the PS5. And as you can see, you go to System, then you go to HDMI, which I will do here shortly. There we go. Go to it. I scroll all the way down. And there is the DCHP protocol. In order to use the YouTube app, you have to have this turned on. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.